Hi everyone. The question today is now a good time to buy? I'd have to say absolutely yeah. The funny thing about it, any time is also a good time to buy. It's just when is the best time to buy. Best time is always now, because the previous best time was already gone. Now, because prices continually go up in price all the time, you'll never get this again. It's no good saying coming back 10 years time when price doubles and ask me, is now a good time to buy? Yes, in 10 years will be a good time to buy then, but it'll be nothing like as good as now. And the whole question is, it's about property investing. It's not about just buying houses and playing house with it. It's all about watching your capital grow. Capital grows with time. So buying now and having the next year with time can only be profitable. However, that's the proviso is you're buying in the correct areas, right? And one of the biggest thing is, we know one thing for sure, with the housing shortages, rents are going up. And because rents go up, yields go up, and because yields go up, the price of properties go up. There's no question about it, right? The only time price might drop is where the population may drop, right? A lot are connected in that respect. So if you're going to invest, buy where there's a population of over 500,000, and also buy where values increase.